In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Ads.txt file in Wix. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website settings, tools, and integrations. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where Wix organizes the main sections you will use to control different parts of your site. From that left sidebar, click on Marketing and SEO. This section contains tools related to promotion, visibility, and site connections. After that page opens, select Marketing Integrations. This is where Wix allows you to connect external services and features that support your website. When you are on the Marketing Integrations page, scroll down through the list of available integrations until you find the option labeled Ads.txt. Take your time here, because there may be several items listed on the page. You want to make sure you select the correct integration. Once you find Ads.txt, click the Connect button underneath it. This tells Wix that you want to enable and set up this integration for your site. After clicking Connect, you will be taken to the next part of the setup. Now click Add Ads.txt, or in some cases you may see it labeled Add Ads.txt file. Wix may show slightly different wording depending on the version of the interface you are using, but the option means the same thing. This is the point where you are adding the Ads.txt file connection through Wix so it can be recognized properly. After selecting that option, click Save. Saving confirms the change and applies it to your website settings. This is an important final step because if you leave the page without saving, the integration may not be added. A helpful tip is to wait a moment after saving, just to make sure Wix finishes processing the update. If needed, you can also revisit the Marketing Integrations section to confirm that Ads.txt is now connected. That can help you verify that everything was added successfully. The full process is very straightforward. You go to your Wix dashboard, open Marketing and SEO. Choose Marketing Integrations, find Ads.txt, click Connect, select Add Ads.txt or Add Ads.txt file, and then save your changes. That covers everything you need to know.